Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cosmo Gaming. I'll show the responsible. I just finished the event early hour ago. I think I just claimed the weapon. I'm gonna show no, a lot of people already upload the videos. I wanna upload my video because I want more subscribe and like my video and share with other friends and comment. And here's the weapon. Maskeleon rifle. It's super cool weapon. We have a new bundle too, Blackbird gear. So cool. I'll buy the bundle later. You can show this weapon. It can headshot. We can. It look like a rifle. We can shoot. It look like sniper and a rifle. Okay, let's try it. I want more subscribe on my video and like. Please don't forget to subscribe and like on my video. And early I shoot one guy. I just shot one kill, but right now I know what happened. This happened a glitch, I think. Yeah, I shoot that snake predator. You can headshot out this weapon. A lot of people use this weapon. A lot of people already upload it. I want to upload. This gun is super cool. Even it's not hard that much. I like this gun. It can be sniper or it can be rifle. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you.